2014 Dodge Ram 1500 replacing LED halo projection headlights. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove the cover by popping out all of these. Make sure to gently do it. Do not tear or pull to rip anything apart. Take the time to get the correct tool. Now that that has been removed, next step is you have to remove the grill in order to get at the headlights to take those off. You have 5 of your bolts right here. Usually it's a 10mm. That's what you'll need. So we'll go ahead and take those and pop this bad boy off. After removing the 4 10mm bolts up top, there's 4 of them total. This will be able to come off. It still seems tight, but there are fasteners that are attached at the bottom connecting it. So pretty much you just got to give it a good tug to get it loose. And then you're going to pull up on it and it'll come right out. Grill is removed, and just to show you, these is where the other fasteners were after you get the bolts out. So you're going to pop it here, pop up here, put your hand down here and pop out that one, and do the same for both sides. It will feel a little bit like something's going to break, but just don't overpower it. Next up, I'm going to remove the bolts and take out the headlight. Now, be careful when removing the bolts. As you can see, I was unaware of this, I guess, washer and spacer. You know, it kind of looks like type of bearing. So when you take this bolt out, be very careful you don't lose any of these pieces when removing them. Gotten the old headlight taken out. Make sure to properly disconnect the wiring and the safety clips. Next part is we're gonna pull this clip back, remove this, and plug it right into there. Easy plug and play. Okay, and then we're going to do the same exact that with this part. And then, honestly, I'm unsure if these LED lights have to be wired into the parking lamp, which you can splice together. I'll show in a separate video. We might have to do that. I definitely have to hot wire in the LED lights to go in to the parking lamp. Now I already did the measure, find out which wire is the lamp, the turn signal. So the black, which I double checked, but obviously is the ground. The middle wire, which is the white with the red stripe, has steady power to it, and the last wire was blinking. So steady power, parking lamp, constantly on. So I'm gonna cut this back right here, move it away, splice these 2 wires, and then use my blue connectors to attach these into it. Alright, attach those. Hang tight. Alright, started splicing. So I took my ground from the LED lights, the black wire, and I took the ground from the plug, put those together and spliced it into the ground here. So originally this black line went right into here. I just cut it, took the other black, pretty much twist them together, put this type of clip on. You feed one side, put the wire through, put the other, and then when you clamp it down, that middle piece is what connects them all, kind of like a knife chomping down, pinching it all in. Alright, now I'm going to finish this and the other side and tape it all up when you're done. Again, verify with your meter which ones you're using. So middle wire was my lamp. So I got these spliced. I'm going to take the power from the LED, put it together with this one right here, twist them together, put it one side of this clip, put this through the other side of the clip, pinch it, tape it, wrap it all up, and of course check to make sure everything's working good. Alright, wide both. Alright, here's the finished product. Nice and blacked out. Start it up, see what it looks like. Obviously you'll catch a glare in your end. I apologize for that. Super Flow Masters. That's what you're hearing, but there you go. Obviously you can see a difference between the fog light glare and the pale LED. Won't know till really at night what the difference is, but I'm gonna go with probably LED fog lights eventually. Simple do-it-yourself. First time doing it myself, so hopefully it helps you.